Yes, DJ Wisdom man, you are a bastard. You will not the fit smoke Arizona. You are a bastard. You tell your my way. You give me time. Don't forget to you give me time. We'll be say man. Me and you take come meet for wherever you say we want meet. Wisdom, you come. You don't know my ass. Wisdom. You don't know my ass. Where you go on that person, yeah, say man, make me come outside. Make me come out of the fat. Bury a DJ. A DJ never be one rock paviku. DJ Wisdom man, no I'm with better yak we bury a. He may have bongbano say, he got your no niga mure. DJ Wisdom man, when you don't know my whole ass. You don't know my whole ass when you go piro ass. No go kill you. You will never reach 33 years. Or make 31 years. You get mad, Wisdom. No good way. You dey craze. You get mad. Why you me not dey piro asses? Wisdom. Me not dey piro asses. Why you not coming to for piro asses? No go so go vado boy. It's burial DJ. From today on they call Wisdom. Burial DJ. Well, not why Wisdom the verse for me. Wisdom be one poison me. It's at December. But not fit. Yes. I said what I said. Wisdom, you be one poison me, you be bad friend. You dey use cultist, they threaten me for giant, Abi. Say you be cultist. You say you be aye, Abi. No worry. No worry. You say me na Jew, you say I not be anything. Me, I agree. You understand me so? Since I cultist to Wedo Webo, Obo as when I die, you know go, why? You don't know my whole ass when me dey with my family. That one on my ass. DJ Wisdom man, that one on my ass no good boy. You are a bastard. What Zaga Wagmo? That one on my ass. See, Wisdom, I'll do victim. I'll come back to victim again because of you. I'll come back around 6. If they born you, come wait for me for victim. No good boy. Agbomama we uye zuo. When we not say was be done way ya, uye zuo. Now the grace where your wife carrying, I cover you. You are a bust. God, this way you do for us, not favor you will run for us. You will run for us. You are a bastard. When you go get canal, come on 50 euro, you not get for Nigeria account. Because they talk to me will be upcoming landlord. Wow, David, wow. You think say I be you? You say I be like you? You say I be like you? You don't know my ass. You don't know my ass, Wisdom. Because you see say I don't come up for us. I tell you say I not go feed that ass by 2:30. Person why use motor to carry me for piro ass. You finish now, you go piro ass. Why you not consist? You don't know say me there since then. No, because if you not there me will still sleep today. You understand so? Because if you not there me will sleep today. Ya kama wewe na boma you wewe webo. Shebi say you be aye. You say you be cultist. That thing I don't underline now. You say I be Jew. You know where we tear. So, what David what am here? Ologo wan can allow egbe. I go deal with you to the extent you'll see me or the wrong. I'll frustrate you agbe career well. A DJ no man egbe. A DJ no wa. A useless and stupid DJ. Me and my wife, we all do small prank to show how stupid you are. How stupid you are. So you call yourself me because you want to poison me. You think I don't know your plan. You not quick a day. Me, I get free man. But all the things you talk for my body, that I will quarrel. You not come up for my man. If you want to poison me for December, you not fit poison me, now you shift. I want park, I call you, you say you know fit, I boof. Because I'm a cocoa, I dey live my life, you dey live your life. You understand me so? Wow, David, wow, you are a bastard. We don't see a cigar out here. The crazy. Should you say you be man? Should you say you be man? Don't worry. A man have a good way. Because you are tarnishing the body of those beautiful and lovely people. Because they talk for social media. People men where they do things. They don't fit come and say because they be system men. They don't fit talk say they be system men. Everybody they beg you, they not they see your own no. But if Enogie start now, they'll say Enogie don't start. But they see your own sis. You when we ballot till when I tell you we bo. If one we ballot till when no E comment DJ Wisdom? E meni atore for over you. If you ain't gbe. Owo kan gba ni. Omo oge so no tanya. Owo kan ko age me but e ti disgrace order for because order for you tell my managing director if you ain't gbe conglomerate. Wow, so you are just 31 years old. We women married 32. If I did 32, if you have friend who go away, boy, or man away. Me not the lie. You and my mother don't talk about. I'm not talking about age. Say me did 32 years. If I really did 32, if you have friend who go away, boy, or man. But if I not did 32, what zaga back more? If you have friend who go away, boy, to they are zaga your boy. Which if I not senior you, I see you like 7 years. 7 Ogba 7 years. You are a bastard. Show me say you be courtist. Why you he? We me Juma me he. Me ma kame go pani me we attack social media we go have one him. But la jan do time where he we do he. Yes, me dey tell social media me really rock pa. You dey feel me? But when we courtist to him, courtist ni me we have. I fit tell you say na me and you me dey over rock pa be because o can we man know we. You understand? So if you want popular, you tell me agba kun. If I you are a bastard. When I bring me, you don't know my house for Giversburg. Why you not come my house for Giversburg? Can't go Piro house. Can't go a laptop in Imu Ivani. I don't see that laptop just now because I collect one laptop with Piro just now for DHL. A laptop in Mama Mio go I can't die. Where? Tell me go a laptop in here. Mama Mio. Amana mie na guy wa can die. The craze. I be your mate and who see me are you supposed no say man. Me are you not be age mate. You the craze. You the craze. You when me they give followers. When they bury a DJ. When they bury a DJ. You come my house that time when we call a finish. I see the love where you show to my children. Now I go your baby birthday for December. Even we wani. You are a bastard. What's that? Not be well for the carry before. And I'm well for the carry now. Mary. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes now. Wisdom. Now I tell you, on want down. Et sous nos carrés, les même when we were here, okay, logo, I came around where you to say if you talk, I can't go relax. See, I did I get ban off. Now I get ban off I did. My mother they connect internet or me. What happened? I do one now. So you know my house, my man not ask you for corner. Rubbish. Or say down. That my wife can get the way we when we were you are aware. The drone side as they beat me. For Victor I realize video you agmen you. Number Wisdom, it should be say be courtist. Why are they? Wisdom why here? Or courtist here? Or when you believe my now you insult my mother. That's why I insult your mother first. You that will go in a cave for me. You are a bastard. I dey come for you later. If they make day no. The laptop in drop you can't Piro waban. I don't see her for there. Why down there? You go Piro ass. Me baga ogun ogbu e. No matter where we want to talk me yakpa. No matter where we want to talk me yakpa. You don't know my ass for this jurisdiction before. Before me pack, you don't know my ass. When me if I correct, why you not coming for us? When I if you say if maybe say you the say be aye, you say be courtist. And you know where was all you see for your left you know whether big come on at Enogie. Wa mi ogun ogbu e. You me tie we na ni agu e gwan and they never call you now, they warn you. They use courtesy, they threaten your fellow Nigeria for Europe. They go person ass. You don't even know law. You don't even know law as well. You don't even know law. Father of 3. Father of 2. I mean, you don't even know law. You they go person ass for Europe. Why are little money? Where? You know your guest says. As me a social media president fair teach a power who get passport. A power not come meet me for us one day. You say now you when almost basic. If you don't know come I bow pass you for this Dutchland. If you don't know today, they tell you so. Or say down. Or say na yo go marokpa. Or say na yo go marokpa. E Peter even do twist is there. But Peter Kevere twins. Kiwawa does so no we to Igwe, I'll say at the con you at the Chris. Where I run. If you don't, okay, but we may again. Tell me, say, see when you want to come. Post if I not wait for you for Agemo go kill me. And around 6 o'clock, I'll do everything. If you not come wait for me for Viti Ban for go on boy. The Chris. What's that? I'm going away. No, we. I know you are the mad. I don't see. I not be all those people where they fear they come up for your asshole. I to go bam, you know. It can wear ye where ye. Can wear ye where ye now. Mighty move. Mighty move. But me, I don't move come up for everything. Come again, move, go the other city. Day. But we can wear ye where ye. If not be your wife, if I deport you any. And your wife, they will save you for the countryside. Rubbish, you will be stingy man. Stingy man. Ego kekan. Very stingy. Stingy. Rubbish. As well. The way. Cause they talk, cause they open live video for me. Bad friend. Even if me and mommy not again, you know, call me. Also me bagger. If I bagger for you, no go kill me. For Europe, I'll bagger for you, no go kill me. This is a be like you. That me we buy, I not touch you. I don't let you do what you want to do. Thank God, send a video. A video ni me are by the your baligbe. You never know it they play. When you worry now, we me family will malake. If you don't do one side, since then I don't hear your report. Say DJ Wisdom man, see the people who want to follow. You know what you don't see 150 since then. Why am I no get what you say no rich? Why am I 150 view away? Now they see the view where they look me so. Zara, the craze, no good. For Europe, you want beat father of 4. You must go away. Me I do everything, I still do video, reach victim. Then I'll tell you, so you have to fall out. Not be for Piro ass. Because that will not be my ass. My address not there, your address not there. Now you have no problem with you here. A victim ban of out there. And if I not fit there around that time, if you not fit come here, you know what's now here, my bag more. You know what's now here, very well. Very well. See how stupid you are. See your left. See your left. Very well. Very no zuai. Us be done who? Ore. 2 years ago. Congratulations, Yari Benue. Ebe mamie. 3 months a mamie. Dundu a mamie. Last 2 years. Or 2 when we have been already colon. The way that want to mature past you and get. That's why I say they respect Big Daddy to date. Anywhere for see Big Daddy today, I'll give him respect because that guy, and that guy supposed to senior, you not be supposed to senior that guy. No, the reference in the wedding, Baba. No, neither you have a West away. Yeah, they do ga. People where they push you say go yas. Or say to me one on little work, but man. You are a bastard. I mean, I'll come back for you later. I'll go boy, idiot.